Hello everyone! In this video we are making these easy and delicious chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. Start out by measuring the dry ingredients. To your bowl, add flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Whisk everything together until it's well combined. Then set the bowl aside. Here I have butter that has been melted and cooled to room temperature. Pour the cooled butter into a large bowl. Then add brown sugar. Cream the butter and sugar together on medium speed for 3 minutes. I'm using a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, but feel free to use a regular handheld electric mixer if you prefer. The mixture will be fluffier and a lighter color once it's done. Stop the mixer and scrape down the bowl with a rubber spatula to help all the ingredients get incorporated into the dough. Add egg, maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Mix on medium speed for 1 minute to get everything well combined. Then stop and scrape down your bowl. Grab your flour mixture and add it to the wet ingredients. If you're using a stand mixer, start by pulsing the mixer a few times to bring the ingredients together so that the flour doesn't fly out of the bowl. Once it's cohesive enough, turn the mixer on low speed and mix the dough just long enough to get most of the flour incorporated. Stop and scrape down the bowl. Then mix again briefly on low speed to incorporate the rest of the flour. Add oats and mix on low speed. Next, add the chocolate chips. I'm using half semi-sweet and half milk chocolate. Mix briefly on low speed to get everything well distributed. And that's it. Scrape down the bowl one last time to make sure any remaining flour on the sides or the bottom of the bowl gets incorporated. The dough will be thick and sticky. No need to chill it before baking. These can go straight into the oven. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and use a cookie scoop or 2 spoons to drop dough onto the sheet. I'm using 2 tablespoons of dough for every cookie. Place each mound at least 2 inches apart on the baking sheet so that the cookies have room to spread. Put the tray on the middle rack of your preheated oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 14 minutes, just until the edges have browned a little and the middle is set. The cookies will continue to firm up as they cool, and they'll be crispy on the edges and soft in the middle. If you are interested in the recipe, you can find it in the description box. I hope you enjoy these. Thank you so much for watching.